1462 on time, 23 vacate via taxiway Alpha. Contact ground 121.7, wind clear.
21-7, United 1462. Hello, Southwest 906, left base visual, runway 07.
Southwest 906, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 17 knots.
Thank you, clear to land 07, Southwest 906. Holding short runway 07, we're ready.
5, Sanctuary Tower, roger. Hold short 07.
Hold short 07, and contact forward flight.
On the RP-7, over Usain.
15, Sanctuary Tower, roger. Continue approach, runway 07. Reduce the minimum approach speed, releasing traffic prior to arrival.
Okay, we'll slow minimum approach speed and about 495.
That 485, line up on way 07.
Wait, runway 07, and contact forward flight.
06 on time, 28, exit up vacating Alpha. Contact ground 121.7.
Alpha call ground, Southwest 906. Kepler 2780, holding short, runway 07.
2780, roger. Hold short 07.
Short 07, Kepler 2780.
Transat 485, clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots. One 5, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 19 knots.
Land 07, Delta 1915.
07.
07,
Thanks to Tower 7750 Tango inbound RMP 7.
5 airborne 31, contact radar 120.8. Good day.
120.8, or Transat forward flight.
75 Sierra Tango, Sanctuary Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Approach 07750 Tango.
West 1116, airborne time 23, contact radar 120.8.
Switch to radar, Southwest 1116, good day.
175 Tango Tower, takeoff runway 07, wind 06, 30 degrees, 16 knots.
07 to make 9 20, that's only American 975 a day.
731 Tango Tower, line up runway, runway 731 Tango Tower, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 06, 30 degrees, 130.
731.
It is Tango, one at a time, 6 contact. This from East.
Okay, Delta Tango.
Seven three one, everyone at time 33, contact radar 120, that's from East.
731.
Hello, Legend 715 Tango Heavy, RNP 07 inbound.
715 Tango, Tango Tower, clear to land, runway 07, wind 05, 0 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear to land 07, Legend 715 Tango.
Legend 715 Tango, Tango Tower, A firm, clear to land, runway 07, wind 05, 0 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear to land 07, Legend 715 Tango.
Runway 713 coming up for the hold short of 07.
713 Tango Tower, line up runway, runway 07. 715 Tango, Arbor time 40, vacate right on Alpha. On Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Right on Alpha, ground 121.7, Legend 715 Tango.
713 Sanctus Alpha for takeoff, runway 07, wind 050 degrees 160.
Runway 07, Sunwing 713.
Airborne time 42, contact radar 120, decimal.
0.8, Sunwing 713.